So now you have been working in your feature, you have made sure that the whole process of execution has been done correctly. You might have done it in different ways, sometimes maybe involving more or less your customers while you are developing this feature or this product. You potentially have been even having some kind of testing on the feature. This can be different type of testing, like a beta testing or different type of automated testing, hopefully within the company and within the product team that has been developing this feature. And now you have decided that you want to release this feature. And you want to release this feature, you want to make sure that everybody gets, as soon as possible, their hands on this feature, that they're able to give you feedback. So you don't want to hold on to the value that you have created for your users. You want to release it to your public and to your audience as soon as possible. So you want to make sure that you are gathering the feedback on the potential implementations that you have had. And if you, for some reason, fail, you want to get that feedback as soon as possible and be able to adapt your product to whatever are the requirements or needs potentially from your users. As per the way that you release, you want to make sure that you promote, that everybody knows and can learn the feature and are able to adopt it as soon as possible and understand what is the value of this feature. You had two options. You had the first option. You're happy with what you have. You will just continue gathering feedback normally from your customers, and then you will move on. And whenever there's feedback, then you potentially will be analyzing it, so on and so forth. In that case, you can go ahead and move to the summary. And then there's the second option. You want to actually make sure that this feature is being adopted by your customers. So you want to make sure that you are able to track the usage of this feedback. So you want to set up some kind of success metrics that potentially and ideally these are going to be tracked within your product. Remember, we are talking about tech products where we can track the usage of a feature, how much is being adopted. So you want to set up those metrics that are going to make sure that this feature is being used by the customers, but it's also that the customers are finding value on this feature. In that case, pick the second option. So now go ahead and pick off one of the options.